Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the rear bumper of your Porsche Cayenne first generation. It's 2003 to 2010. And this is my very first video in English, so please be kind. And in the end, if you liked it, like and subscribe. So this is a turbo model, so maybe your bumper doesn't look exactly the same, but the fastening locations are the same or very, very similar. So let's get to it. Where to start? Remove the taillights. So here have two small plastic covers. Behind them have screws. The screws, for the screws you need Allen key or Torx depending on year of production. You can use a small, just a flat screwdriver, or I use a pick tool. And there it goes. I don't like to use electrical tools for this kind of stuff because, old plastic is very fragile and better be careful. Just disconnect it. Same on the other side. These two screws are the reason we must remove the taillights. So I remove these outer screws, one on this side and one on that side, and the inner ones I keep for now just to keep it in place when I remove everything else. So this is Torx T25, and we will remove two screws under here and two screws under here. And now we go to the side. One hidden Torx screw down here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth one is hidden up here and is screwed from the inside. We cannot see it right now. And of course, same on the other side. So now we only have these two screws here and here, this left. But if you, like me, using a lift, lower the car, because when you disconnect, the bumper away, you will have a cable for the PDC. So in this height, it will be very difficult to hold the bumper and disconnect the cable at the same time. So easier to lower the vehicle. Torx T25. Remove these rubber grommets. It's easier. And here is the cable for the PDC. So down here you have the cable harness for the PDC. So we must remove this one. Like this. And there it goes. So that wasn't too difficult, right? And most of you doing this job is probably because you have some problems with PDC or part distance control sensors. In this case, in this car, I have the problem with the electrical sway hitch. I'm going to make another video about how we diagnose this together. But sadly, it will be in Swedish. So if you want to see it, you need to use the YouTube translation function for text or something. Thank you for watching.